Hi, welcome. My name is Mr. Ko. We're doing learning goal number 2. It says I can find the percentage of a number using multiplication. Alright, so before we start, make sure you have your paper, pencil, or pen. And what you can expect from this video is we will have 3 practice problems. We will do 2 together, and one of them you'll do on your own. Also, if you can take notes. So let's get started. Our first problem says, what is 130% of 50? Now, we're going to use multiplication. So we're going to multiply these two numbers, 50 and 130, or 130%. But how do we multiply a number by a percent? We change the percent to a decimal. In our case, 130% is equal to 1.30. So we can multiply 50 times 1.30. Go ahead and pause and try to solve the problem. Welcome back. You might be wondering, do I always have to put the number 50 up top and the decimal on the bottom, or can I flip it? Well, let's find out. Can you pause and try to solve this problem, please? Welcome back. The first problem, we arrived at 65.00. If you made a mistake, don't worry, we all make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Can you go back and check to see if you can figure out where? If you did get 65, then we agree. For the second problem, we got 65 as well. Again, if you made a mistake, hey, mistakes is where we start to learn. And if you got 65, then we agree. So what we conclude is that whether we put 50 on the top or on the bottom, we still get the same answer. So it's up to you whether you want to do it like this or like this. Our second problem is, what is 250% of 700? So we're going to use multiplication. But first we have to transfer 250% into our decimal, 2.50. We'll go ahead and multiply 700 times 2.50. Go ahead and pause and solve this problem. Alright, welcome back. And if you can solve this second problem, go ahead and pause and solve that problem. Alright, welcome back. So, the first problem, we arrived at 1,750. If you made a mistake, go ahead and check back in to see if you can point out where you made that mistake. And don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. If you got it 1750 or 1,750, then we agree. Same thing with our second problem, 1,750. If you made a mistake, no worries. See if you can figure out where you made a mistake. If you got this answer, then we agree. So again, it doesn't matter where you put the decimal, on the bottom or the top, you'll still get the same answer. This is our third problem. What is 175% of 200? Go ahead and solve this on your own and bring it into class. And remember, we all make mistakes. Mistakes are normal.